Good morning to all. Welcome in lecture of basic electrical and electronic subject. In previous lecture, we had studied the introduction of electrical circuit, that is what is the electrical circuit, and electrical quantities related to the electrical circuit. Then in this lecture, we are going to study the introduction of magnetic circuit, that is the magnetic quantities related to magnetic circuit. First, what is the electromagnet? Second, what is the magnetic field? Third, what is the magnetic flux? Fourth, what is the magnetic flux density? And fifth, what is the magnetic field strength? And sixth, what is the magnetomotive force? The review of previous lecture is electrical circuit. What is the electrical circuit? Electrical circuit is a closed path for current. Then this is the electrical circuit, and current is flowing through this circuit. Then next parameter, EMF is driving force in the electric circuit, and the unit is the volt. Then second electrical quantity is current. There is a current I in the electrical circuit which is measured in ampere. The current I is given by EMF by resistance. Then what is the resistance? Resistance is the oppose the flow of current in the electrical circuit. The unit of resistance is ohm. The resistance R is given by rho into L by A. The resistance is directly proportional to the length of conductor and inversely proportional to the cross section area, that is A. And rho is the resistivity of material and it is constant. Then parameters also, electrical circuit is conductance. Conductance is the reciprocal of resistance, that is conductance is equal to 1 by resistance. Then in this lecture we are going to study the introduction of magnetic circuit. First, what is the electromagnet? An electromagnet is a temporary magnet in which a long insulated copper wire is wrapped on a soft iron cone in the form of helix. That is, this is the electromagnet. Whenever current is passed through this coil or conductor, magnetic field get developed across this coil, and the coil start acting as an electromagnet. Is nothing but the electromagnet. Electromagnet is nothing but this is the core, on core insulated copper wire. On core insulated copper wire is wrapped, and material of core is the iron. That is the electromagnet. Then next, the magnetic field. The magnetic field is defined as the region near a magnet within which the effect or influence of the magnet is felt. That is, this is the magnet, and magnet, there is the region near a magnet within which the effect of influence of the magnet is field. That is, the influence of magnet or presence of magnet field can be tested by using a simple compass needle or by using another magnet. That is, the influence of magnet can be tested by using another magnet also. That is the magnetic field. Magnetic field is in one region near a magnet, in which the effect or influence of the magnet is felt. Then next, magnetic flux. The magnetic flux is defined as the total number of line of force in a magnetic field. That is, this is the magnet, and here the magnetic field, and in magnetic field this the total number of line of force is nothing but magnetic flux, and the group of force line going from the north pole to the south pole of a magnet. It is also called as magnetic flux. It is analogous to electrical current I in an electrical circuit. That is, the flux is analogous to electric current I in a electric circuit. And magnetic flux, unit of magnetic flux is Weber, WB. It is denoted by WB, and flux is denoted by phi. That is, the magnetic flux is nothing but the total number of line of force in a magnetic field. Total number of line of force, that is, this line of force in a magnetic field is called as magnetic flux. It is denoted by phi, and unit of magnetic flux is the Weber. Then next magnetic quantity is flux density. Magnetic flux density. Magnetic flux as flowing from, that is, the number of line of force flowing from north pole of magnet round to its south pole, as shown in by arrows on the line in the diagram. In next PPT there is the diagram. In position B, there are smaller number of magnetic field lines passing through the loop than there is when it is in position A. Explain definitely what is the magnetic flux density. The amount of flux passing through a unit area at a right angles to the magnetic field line is called as magnetic flux density, and it is denoted by B. In this figure here, this is the magnet. Then the total number of line of force is coming from the north to south. Then at this A point, there is large number of magnetic flux. At B point, there is small number of magnetic flux, that is, the number of line of force is less at point B, and number of line of force at point is large. That is, the magnetic flux density is the flux unit per area, and magnetic flux is defined as the flux unit per area. It is denoted by capital B. The flux density is given by the flux density is equal to flux upon area through which flux passes. That is B equal to flux is denoted by phi and area is denoted by A. The flux density is measured in Tesla. It is denoted by capital T or Weber per meter square. Weber means the unit of magnetic flux and meter square means unit of area. Then next, magnetic field strength. What is the magnetic field strength? Magnetic field strength, it is denoted by H. So what is the magnetic field strength? The force experienced by a unit, north pole and south pole. That is force experienced by a unit north pole placed at any point in a magnetic field is known as magnetic field strength at that point. In magnetic field strength, it is denoted by H and unit of magnetic field strength is Newton per Weber, that is N by Weber, or amperes per meter, that is the AM by, that is the unit of magnetic field strength is Newton per Weber or amperes per meter. It is given by mathematically H, magnetic field strength H equal to B by mu. B is magnetic flux density and mu is permeability. That is, the magnetic field strength is nothing but the force experienced by a unit north pole placed at any point in a magnetic field is known as magnetic field strength at that point. And it is denoted by H and unit of magnetic field strength is the amperes per meter. Amperes per meter. Then next, what is the magnetomotive force? The magnetomotive force, it is denoted by MMF. Then that is denoted by MMF or F, capital F. The current flowing in an electric circuit is due to the existence of electromotive force. Similarly, magnetomotive force is required to drive the magnetic flux in the magnetic circuit. That is, in electrical circuit. In electrical circuit, the electrical force due to which the current or flow of electrons in a side conductor. Similarly, magnetomotive force is the magnetic force responsible for the flow of flux or generation of flux. That is, the magnetomotive force develop a magnetic flux or generate a magnetic flux in a magnetic circuit. That is another definition of magnetomotive force is the magnetic force which set up the magnetic flux in a magnetic circuit is called as magnetomotive force, and it is denoted by F, and its short form is MMF, and MMF equal to N into I. N is the number of turns of coil. I is current flowing in the coil, and unit of EMF is ampere turn. That is the it is the AT. It is represented by ampere turn. It is represented by AT. Then this is the magnetic circuit. In magnetic circuit, this is the core. This is the core. On core, coil are wound. Core is made from iron. That is the coil has number of turns, and when current is applied or current is flowing through the coil, magnetic field get developed across it. That is the N is number of turn of coil, and I is current flowing through the coil or conductor. That is the strength of the MMF is equivalent to the product of current around the turns and the number of turns of coil. That is F equal to Ni. N means the number of turns of inductive coil, and I means current flowing through the coil or conductor. Thank you. In this lecture, we will study some magnetic quantities related to the magnetic circuit. First, what is the magnetic field? Magnetic field is defined as the region near a magnet. That is the region near a magnet within which the effect or influence of the magnet is felt, and the presence of magnetic field can be tested by using another magnet also. Then second magnetic quantity is magnetic flux. Magnetic flux, it is denoted by pi. The unit of magnetic flux is Weber, WB, and magnetic flux is defined as the total number of line of force in a magnetic field. That is the group of force lines going from north pole to the south pole of a magnet is nothing but the magnetic flux. Then flux density, it is also called as magnetic flux density. It is denoted by capital B, and unit of magnetic flux density is Tesla, and Tesla is denoted by capital T. Then in this figure, point A and point B. at point A there is the large number of line of force, and at point B there is the small number of magnetic lines. That is, the flux density is given as flux by area through which flux passes. That is, mathematically it's given as B equal to phi by A. Phi is nothing but magnetic flux and A is nothing but area, and unit of area is meter square. So the unit of magnetic flux density is also Weber per meter square. Flux is measured in Weber and area is measured in meter square. Next, magnetic field strength. Magnetic field strength, the force experienced by a unit north pole, that is north pole, is the magnetic line or magnetic flux are flowing from the north pole to south pole. That is, the force experienced by a unit north pole placed at any point in a magnetic field is known as magnetic field strength at that point. The magnetic field strength is represented by H. Its unit is ampere, that is, the unit of magnetic field strength is amperes per meters, that is A by M. The magnetic field strength is given by mathematically H equal to B by mu. B means magnetic flux density and mu means permeability. That is the magnetic field strength. Then what is the magnetomotive force? Its short form is capital MMF. The current flowing in an electrical circuit is due to the existence of electromotive force. That is, in electrical circuit, current flowing in the electrical circuit due to the electromotive force. Similarly, magnetomotive force is required to drive the magnetic flux in the magnetic circuit. That is, the magnetomotive force is defined as the force responsible for the flow of flux or generation of flux. Flow of flux or generation of flux. The magnetomotive force, it is denoted by capital F. It is given as F equal to N into I. N is nothing but number of turns of coil and I is current flowing through the coil. The unit of MMF is ampere turn and it is denoted by AT, capital AT. Then here one magnetic circuit. Magnetic circuit, this is the core, this is the iron core. On this core, coil are wound, and when current flowing through this coil, magnetic field are developed across the coils. That is the EMF. It is denoted by F, and F is given F equal to Ni. Ni is nothing, N is nothing but number of turns of inductive coil, and I is current flowing through the coil or conductor. Thank you very much. In next lecture, we will study the next magnetic quantities related to the magnetic circuit, that is the permeability. What is the permeability? What is the reluctance? What is the permanence? And what is the magnetic circuit and analogy between electric circuit and magnetic circuit. Thank you so much.